With all the projects I'm doing, it's really important to keep motivated, even with something not working out like I'm wanting it to. So I decided to make my own calendar out of an old phone which I had laying around to motivate me. I also wrote my own software which collects motivation quotes from my own database and displays them on the screen. I started with the design of the software. For the layout, I had an old pull-off calendar in mind, with all the date and time information on the top and the motivating quotes and other information on the bottom card. I also designed a dark mode, which is easier on the eyes at night. After that, I started to code and think of a way my database will be structured. First, I did some easy string realignment because the system gave me the date and time in this format, and I wanted mine to have the month written out and everything else looking a little nicer. So I first split the time and date, and then had the month number pick the correlating word for the month from a string array. So what it's basically doing is turning the number of the month, for example 05, into the word May. For my motivating quotes, I set up a .json database and loaded it up with a bunch of quotes. Then I wrote some code, which basically every 30 seconds checks if there's an internet connection. And if there is, it will use a REST API to get a random quote from the online database and displays it. And if there isn't an internet connection for whatever reason, it will get a quote from a string array and temporarily display that till the internet connection is re-established. For now I'm just using my own database, but there are a ton of APIs out there which can do a lot of cool things. For example, the Google Calendar API, which shows all of the upcoming events in your calendar, or the Instagram API, which will show you all the recent posts of your friends, or the YouTube Analytics API, which can show you the subscriber count of your YouTube channel. The possibilities are endless, and with time I will add more and more information to my calendar. If you don't want to miss out on any videos, please consider subscribing. The last step I did was to design a shell for the phone to sit in, which I sketched up in Fusion 360 and 3D printed it on my Creality Ender 3. Thanks for watching. Bye.